This is the Beaver Creek aquatic organism passage from the railroad looking downstream to where Beaver Creek joins the Shavers Fork. We're high in Randolph County, West Virginia here. This project was completed in 2011 as part of a major effort up here on the Upper Shavers Fork to improve fish habitat and frankly in some cases to provide fish habitat where none existed. The total project involved 3 of these type fish ladder aquatic organism passage projects administered by the DNR, and then 4.5 miles of very heavy, intensive stream restoration work administered by the NRCS and the Tigris Valley Conservation District, and partially funded with West Virginia Conservation Agency funds also.